Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play custom races in GTA 5 online. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up any browser. Alright, now just go ahead over to Rockstar Games or find Rockstar Games right here. Hit on enter, click on Rockstar Games, and then just wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and go to the top right, make sure that you are logged in. Once logged in, go to Games right here and then find Grand Theft Auto 5. Click on it. Now go ahead and go to Community, go to Jobs. Now browse all jobs. Now once you're in here, just go to the filter button, click on it. Now go to your platform. For example, I'm currently playing on PC. I'm going to click on PC and then scroll down, look for again or search jobs, race. All right. Now, for example, this race right here, you're going to want to bookmark it. There you go. Once that's bookmarked, go ahead and reopen up the game. Now, if it doesn't load right away, let's say you're currently in game, and then you press menu, online, then jobs, then play a job, bookmarked, then race right here. If it doesn't pop out, you can go ahead and press escape, go back to the online section. Online, find new session, invite only session. Okay, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, menu again, online, jobs, play a job, bookmarked, and then go ahead over to races or stunt races. All right, so it's under stunt races right here, and then just find the game. All right. Double click, click on OK, and then just wait for it to load. There you go. Confirm settings right here. And that is how you play custom races in GTA 5 online. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.